reaching outwards, growing minds, building futures. This is Parklands College mission statement, concisely describing the what, how, and why of our school. We have designed a school that delivers our vision of the future of learning, supported by Apple technology. Alongside our core curriculum, we have a large selection of extension opportunities integrated into the school day. Leading up to the opening of our Innovation Centre in 2020, we spent time together as educators from different disciplines imagining what the future of learning could look like. Teams of educators were encouraged to move out of their comfort zones and work across subject silos to design new learning experiences that made use of various technologies and spaces available to us, including small learning pods, our robotics lab, our Experian Makerspace, and our virtual reality holodeck. This is an example of one of the projects where learners explored different systems of the human body. The life science content was brought to life by collaborating with educators in electronics, physical science, design, visual art, and coding. Learners spent time in the virtual reality holodeck to gain a deeper understanding of the human system they were studying, and designed augmented reality experiences with their iPads to explain their system to their peers. They went on to use skills acquired in electronics, design, visual art, and coding to design a model to showcase their learning. iPad apps such as Tinkercad were used to code lights to flash in sequence using an Arduino. Skills such as soldering and electronics were harnessed to build the model to demonstrate how the system worked. In this case, using flashing LEDs to show how oxygenated and deoxygenated blood flowed through the heart at different beats per minute, depending on the intensity of exercise. In this project, everyone was learning. Educators were learning from each other by working together collaboratively, and our learners were teaching each other. Projects such as these inspire our educators to think creatively and imagine new learning possibilities. In this type of future learning, we are developing critical thinkers who are creative agents, able to purposefully collaborate and effectively communicate ideas while being responsible citizens. Our growing minds, the heartbeat to our expression of education. As a school, we have also partnered with organizations such as MaxIQ.Space, giving our learners authentic opportunities to design, assemble, and code their own Internet of Things device, and ultimately test these prototypes on a real space mission. They have been using various sensors on MaxIQ kits to measure temperature, humidity, light, acceleration, pressure, and UV, as well as using their iPads to design a graphic mission patch for our first space mission. In March 2023, a team of learners in our Science, Technology, Aerospace, and Robotics Extension program built and coded their own payload that was launched on the Phoenix 1C rocket just outside of Cape Town. The launch was done in collaboration with the Rocketry Department of KwaZulu-Natal and is our first step into space. This is Parklands College, imagining the future of learning, reaching outwards, growing minds, building futures.